In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Xero. Managing your contacts in Xero efficiently is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring seamless financial transactions. Whether you're cleaning up your contact list or simply removing outdated or duplicate entries, deleting a contact is a straightforward process. By following these simple steps, you'll finish the task in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you should find yourself on the dashboard, which is the central hub for navigating through your financial management tasks in Xero. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your financial status, showing you the most critical data at a glance. Now look at the menu options and click on Contacts. From the drop-down, select All Contacts. This will open up a comprehensive list of your business and personal contacts within Xero. It's where you can see all the entries you have and begin the process of deletion. Once you're on the All Contacts page, take a moment to locate the specific contact you want to delete. You'll notice that next to each contact is a checkbox. Click on the checkbox next to the contact you wish to remove. Selecting the contact highlights it, indicating that it's ready for further actions. From here, you need to click on the Archive button. Archiving a contact is a non-destructive way to remove it from active lists without permanently deleting its information. This feature can be quite useful if you might need the contact's details for future reference, as archived contacts can be reinstated anytime with all their data intact. After clicking the Archive button once, a confirmation message typically appears. It asks if you are sure about archiving the contact. This extra step is a safeguard to ensure you're not accidentally archiving a contact you still need. Go ahead and confirm the action by clicking the Archive button again. Your contact is now archived, and there you have it. Your chosen contact is no longer cluttering up your active contacts list in Xero. Feel free to return and unarchive the contact as needed by clicking the same checkbox and selecting Restore, bringing it back to active status. This process is a great way to manage your contact list efficiently without losing any essential information. Remember, regular maintenance of your contact list not only helps in streamlining your workflows, but also ensures that your data remains relevant and organized. Thanks for watching and enjoy optimizing your contact management in Xero.